Hi, welcome to this tutorial of Zoho CRM QuickBooks Integration. In this video, I will show you how to sync data between Zoho CRM and QuickBooks. Let's start. Once you install the extension, you can find it inside your Zoho CRM. Click on it. As a very first step, you need to register as a new user in this extension. Select the New User Register Here option. Provide your name, email address, and give a new password to register in this extension. After you register, next you need to connect your Zoho and QuickBooks account with this extension. For that, click on Connect to QuickBooks button and provide the QuickBooks credential here. Next, to connect Zoho, click on Connect to Zoho button. Select this Accept button for giving permission for the add-on to access the Zoho account. Once you connect the extension with your Zoho and QuickBooks account, you can now start syncing data between Zoho and QuickBooks online. Zoho CRM QuickBooks Integration lets you sync records in different methods. You can sync the records while it is saved in Zoho. You can perform historical sync, copy to QuickBooks sync, and the automatic cron sync is done for syncing records from QuickBooks to Zoho CRM. Before you perform any sync, you need to do mapping. There are two mapping sections. One is Zoho to QB and the other is QB to Zoho. Now I will show you syncing records from Zoho CRM to QuickBooks. QuickBooks record sync to Zoho CRM is done automatically via cron. To set up this, move to QB to Zoho tab and enable the Allow cron sync from QB to Zoho option. Choose the module here and start mapping the fields. Once done, click Save Mapping. If you do this, then the sync will happen every 5 minutes and it syncs all QuickBooks data to Zoho. Now let's sync the records from Zoho CRM to QuickBooks. Move to Settings tab and enable the Sync Records on Save option to sync records to QuickBooks while you save the record in Zoho. Note that you can only sync records if you opt in any subscription plan and payments. And buy any one quota inside historical sync. Okay, let's see how the on-save sync works. I'm going to create a customer record. But before that, make sure the customer module is mapped in Zoho to QB mapping. Now move to contact module and start creating a new record. Click Save to save the contact. If you check the logs, you can see the contact records get synced to QuickBooks successfully. You can view the record inside Customers in QuickBooks also. Here you can see the record I created in Zoho. The next method of sync is copy to QB. You can sync existing record using this feature. As all my records are already synced to QuickBooks, I will create a new record and show you how it works. So for now I am disabling the on save option in settings. And I create a new contact record in Zoho. After you create the record in its detailed view, click on Copy to QB button to sync the record to QuickBooks. Here you can see the customers are synced successfully. If you see the logs in Zoho QuickBooks, it shows the status as success. Let's check on QuickBooks. The record was created inside my QuickBooks account. Next, the last type of synchronization is historical sync. Move to Historical Sync tab. You can buy a quota from here to sync records. This historical sync is mainly for syncing existing records created in a particular period. So choose the from date of record creation and choose the to date. Now click on sync button. You can see here the number of records you are syncing to QuickBooks. Click yes. Once the sync is completed, you can verify it by checking logs, or you can also verify the records manually inside QuickBooks. You can also cancel the record sync by clicking on the cancel button while you sync. Zoho CRM QuickBooks extension also supports multi-language. To set up language, move to Settings tab and select the language menu. Here choose the preferred language from the drop-down and click on Update Language. Now you can use the extension in the chosen language. So this is what you need to know about Zoho QuickBooks. Hope this video tutorial will help you learn a lot about Zoho CRM QuickBooks integration. Thanks for watching.